Yo guys, welcome back to the SciTech YouTube channel. Today I have another special unboxing for you guys. I know it has been a while since I uploaded, so I do apologize, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. So as you can see, what we have right here is the new MacBook Neo. Just going to show you guys a little bit around the box, just to make sure you get to see everything. I'm going to make this as authentic of an unboxing as I can. So this is the variant I got, the 8 gig, 256 gig model. And this is in the blue or the indigo color, I believe it is called. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this puppy up for you guys. Get some close ASMR action. Alright, that's one peel. Flip this puppy over, get that other peel for you guys. There we go, other peel is done. Gonna open this baby up, see what it looks like. That out the way. So we have the MacBook here. Nice. Gonna open this puppy up from the back. Has a cool little hello thing. I think that's like the first time I'm seeing that on a MacBook unwrapping. Ooh, nice color. Get rid of that. Okay, so this is the back of the laptop. Here's the sides. Wow, feels pretty nice and compact. So this is, let me move the box out the way a little bit so you guys can actually see better. Sorry if the focus isn't too hot, but there you got the headphone jack, the 2 USB-C ports, and no ports on this side. So we got that, and then let me show you guys the rest of the box. So in the rest of the box, you got your instruction guide. You have your braided USB-C to C cable. And then you have your little 20-watt Apple brick. So I think this is basically the same brick that you get in your, with your iPad. So there's that. And then I'm gonna open up the MacBook very quickly here and show you guys what that sort of looks like so you can have an idea. I do really like the shape of this. I actually traded in the M1 for this. Ooh. On the first try, I definitely can't open the hinge with the laptop just lying flat on the counter, but I have to hold it. There we go. I think that might just be because of this paper that's on there. So there's a look at the keyboard. Nice, like a light blue color. Feels like it's white, but it's a little bit of light blue action. Then I'm gonna peel this paper off. First peel, baby. There we have the hello, the hola, the hallow. We got everything. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Just wanted to make this a quick little video. But yeah, I mean, this is not a review. Once again, this is just unboxing. But just for reference, I am recording this video on the iPhone 17. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you guys today. And I will be pumping out new videos for y'all whenever I can. I really appreciate your guys' support. and just make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
That's a little.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now.
That's a little awkward. Please ignore that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, I will catch you guys on the next video, and your support is much appreciated. Take care. Peace out, guys.